Alright guys, before I get started, if you like this right here, this eye look right here, like, subscribe, and comment. So let's get into it. Starting off, I already have my brows done using the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefits. This is it right here. And this is in the shade 4. So first, to start off the eye look, I'm gonna conceal my eyelids using my NYX Concealer. I'm just gonna smear that all over and blend it out. And once that's blended, I'm gonna use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set that. And I'm just gonna use my hand. And I'm extending it past where I'm gonna put my eyeshadow. Okay, and as soon as I have that all over my eye, I'm gonna press in the setting powder so we won't have any creases. And you can either use your hand or a brush. My hands are clean, and sometimes I feel like pressing it in with your finger kind of gets it to melt in your skin more. I'm gonna take my Jamrock Palette, and I'm using a fluffy crease brush. I'm just gonna apply that above my crease. If you guys could comment down below eyeshadow combo you would like to see me try, please do so, and I will do that. Well, I'm gonna use this darker purple right here called Rebel, and I'm using a smaller crease brush, more dense. That way it's not going all the way up to where I have the lighter. So I'm just gonna, and I'm gonna apply it directly into my crease. Just gonna dab that in first and then use windshield wiper motions and then circular to kind of blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a little more of that lighter purple. And I'm just pressing it into my skin. And now I'm just gonna use a clean brush to blend it out. I'm gonna apply a little more of that darker purple, and this time I'm going to apply it in a downward motion. And blend out a little bit with that clean brush. Right, and I'm just gonna do the same to my left eye. Scrub the guy. That's what that just reminded me of. So known as a buster. Also known as a buster. I done had a buster before, y'all. Okay, now using a dense crease brush, I'm going to apply this green right here. I'm going to input that green into the inner and outer corner of my eye and blend it out. Now I'm going to apply that darker purple to my outer corners. I'm just going to tap that over and bring it inward. I'm going to do the same to my inner eye. And if you lose too much green, you can always go back in and apply that. I'm going to actually bring out that purple. That way it's blended out on this end. And when I clean up, it'll just not have any harsh lines. Alright, now using my NYX eyeshadow base, I'm going to apply a little bit of that into the middle of my my eye. Right now, using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply this yellow right here. And pat it in first. And you guys, just like my Jaclyn Hill palette or my Juvia's, I'm going to be doing series on just using this palette alone. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that green over the edges. And I'm going to go back in and apply more yellow. And I'm going to continue to repeat this step until it's to my desired look. Right now, I'm going to take my smudge brush and apply this purple Champion to my lower lash line. And now using Rebel, I'm gonna pat that under there. Now I'm gonna use this green eyeliner pencil that I have. It has a bit of a glitter or shimmer to it, and I'm gonna apply that to my lower lash line. Alright, and lastly for the eyes, I'm going to apply some glitter to my inner tear duct. And to do that, I'm using my Glitter Primer by NYX and also my NYX Glitter. Apply a little bit of this primer to my inner eye. Right now I'm going to clean up under my eye. Apply my lashes and finish my face, and I will be back. Alright guys, we're all done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please again give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. See you in my next video. Bye.